Good evening. Today is 23rd December, Wednesday, 2020. I am Sudarshan Sukhani, and in this video show, we talk about intraday and swing trading ideas for the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. I have explained that the markets are in some kind of a correction. That is my sense. We have fallen a lot as compared to the October correction. Therefore, when the deepest correction has come, it means that markets are willing to seek lower levels. But I must tell you that what I analyze and what I think and what the markets do actually may be very different. We can only analyze based on what we think the charts are giving us a message on. Markets may not follow it. Markets may actually be giving a different message. So we have to always trade with the understanding that the management of risk is most important. We can go wrong and we will go wrong many times. So we must manage our risk in whatever trades we do. That's the first task of a trader. For today, I had suggested that I would look to sell into a rally, and that selling never came, and I will tell you why. The Nifty opened almost marginally lower and then traded sideways, but very soon it crossed the high of the first 15 minutes. That was the first warning sign that some kind of an uptrend has started, at least for some hours. That uptrend never came to an end. It went on and closed significantly higher at 13,600, giving the impression that the decline had never happened. Now, if you are seeing a 15-minute breakout on the upside, then you do not see any decent correction. The lows of the first 15 minutes are not being broken. Then there is no scope for going and selling. So I did not go short. In fact, in spite of the fact that I take the view from my earlier thoughts, today was a day when we actually went long twice, once in the Nifty and once in the Bank Nifty, because intraday charts were very attractive for long positions. And as I told you, the Nifty was maintaining the low of the first 15 minutes consistently. But we did not carry any positions because the markets are either in a correction or in a sideways trend. So carrying positions is not a good idea when there is no trend. Now, the view is that we are in a correction of some kind or a sideways move or both. But I must tell you again that in a correction it becomes very difficult to identify beforehand what markets will do tomorrow. So a much better way of analyzing the markets is to look at price action. What is the morning range? Is it going up? Is it coming down? I have explained this yesterday also, that if the market is in a trading range and then willing to move out, at least a short-term trade then opens up in that direction. So price action becomes much more important than the trend because there is no trend. So we wait patiently for markets to show us their cards every day. If we feel there is an opportunity, that opportunity is primarily a consolidation and then a move out of the consolidation, either up or down. Then we take that trade, and I try not to carry these positions because next day can be very different. It's a little frustrating when we go into a consolidation, into a correction, because corrections are not straight line declines. They come down, they go up, then they create the sense that we are actually going up. They suddenly come down, they go sideways. So it's never easy. But that's the way it is, and we have to accept it. So focus more on price action now than on the earlier days analysis, because in a sideways market, that is much more important, the day-to-day price action. I hope you enjoy these videos. Take care, enjoy yourself, and have a wonderful weekend, which includes a holiday. Jai Hind.